Hello everyone, welcome to study SolidWorks with online class. Today we study about how to make a mask online on SolidWorks. First, select front plane, sketch, select line and draw line. This one and next. Okay. Delete this line. Select flank, draw flank, draw flank again. Okay. Dimension, enter dimension. This one, $30mm, and this one, 4mm, and this one, 3mm, 3mm, and this one to here, 50mm, and this point, okay, 3mm, click OK. Make a tong song. Select this one and this one. Make a tong song and click OK. Click here. Horizontal. Move it and adjust. Adjust this one. Click here and select vertical. Click OK. Select line. Draw line from the 0 point to here. Okay. Connect from here to this point. Click OK. Select feature and click revolve. Select this one. We got it. Click OK. Okay, review that and select front plane. No more 2. select spline, draw a spline. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Enter the dimension. Enter 23 millimeter, and this one 5 millimeter. This one to this one 21 millimeter. Okay, this one 5 millimeter. Click OK. Click OK. Yeah. Click here. Yeah. You can move to another direction. Yes. Click OK. Select center line. Yeah. Draw center line. Yeah. From here to here. Okay. Yes. Sit. Move it to the top. Yeah. You can adjust it. Okay. Click OK. Enter dimension. Yeah. 30 degree. Yeah. Length 160 mm. Yeah. Enter angle of this 11 degree. Click OK. Yeah. Add length 200 mm. Okay. Click OK. Skate. Skirt extrude. And select right plane. Oh, yes. Select right plane. Reference geometry. Click plane. Yeah. Okay. Click here. Click OK. Rotate. Yeah, we can rotate to review that. Yeah. Sketch. Select center rectangle. Yes, draw the center rectangle. Yeah. Click OK. Dimension. Yes. 18 mm. Click OK. Okay. This one 10 mm. Click OK. Click OK. Sketch fillet. Select sketch fillet. Yes. Add the fillet parameter 4 mm. Yes, select this point, and this point. Yeah. 4.2 select. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Click OK. Skirt extrude. Click on sweep boost base. Yeah. Select here. Yeah. 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 Get it. Yeah. Yeah. Click OK. Ah, now we get Max hand. Yeah. Yeah. High plane. Yeah. Fillet. Click fillet. And click the point to fillet. Okay. Yeah, click here. Yeah, click here. This one. Around this. Yeah. And this one also click. Yeah. Click around. Okay. Oh, it is so difficult to click. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Click. Yeah, click here. And this one also click. Yeah. Finish. Okay. Click OK. Oh, error something. Oh. Oh, we see the our idea is too high. 30 millimeter. We need a 5 Yeah. 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 Click OK. Yeah, finish. Yeah. We have that. Yeah. Finish for fillet. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, select share. Share. Yeah, click here and click OK. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, we get it. Yeah, we have like this picture. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can add another color that we want. Yeah, it's your option to add the color on the marks. Yes. Yes. Finish. Okay. Can review.